this is Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your YouTube banner on mobile devices. We all know that YouTube is one of the most competitive platforms that bring businesses close to their audiences through videos. One of the most vital approaches that one should take to make YouTube channel incredible and make it look great is consider adding high quality YouTube channel art design. The channel art is also sometimes called the YouTube banner. It is a great way to attract your audience's attention. It's that large banner that goes across the top of the YouTube channel page. The main aim of this channel is to visually communicate the channel's personality and brand to the targeted audience. It portrays what your videos and business are all about and conveys necessary information regarding your channel. So now, in order to change your YouTube banner, just watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to your YouTube application on your mobile device, then tap onto it and open. So once you are on this page, you can go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Here you will see various options available. Go to your channel options, then click on it. Now here beneath your name, you can see the edit channel options. Tap on it. So once you land onto your channel settings, you can see a profile picture, and here is the banner you want to change. Then go to this camera icon and tap on it. Here, in order to change the banner for your YouTube, you either need to take a photo for it, or you can choose from your photo gallery if you already have downloaded it on your mobile device. Now choose the image that suits your YouTube banner the best. Once you do that, in here you need to customize your YouTube banner. Your channel's banner might look different across devices. The widest crop area will be used on the desktop and TV. So once you are done customizing your banner, go to the top right corner and tap on Save. Now here you can see you have successfully changed your YouTube banner for your mobile device. The important thing is your banner image must be of the aspect ratio of 16:9. So you can use your computer's image editor or an online image resizer to resize the image. Now after creating an unforgettable representation of your YouTube channel, you can now enjoy using YouTube with the increment in terms of engagement and conversions. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.